If you or don't know how to change your Facebook page username, I will provide a quick solution that will definitely solve your problem. Okay, to change your Facebook page username, you have to log in as your Facebook page first. First step, click on the page icon over here. Then, click the three dots on the Facebook page that you want to change the name of. Select Switch Now. After you log in as your Facebook page, click on your profile photo. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. Okay, in this section you can see a column to change your Facebook page username. Click Edit to change your Facebook page username. Make sure the username you are using is still available. After that, click Save Changes. You will be asked to enter your main Facebook password. To do this tutorial, I recommend using a laptop or PC. Because, on the Facebook app this feature is not available. So, I highly recommend doing it using a PC or laptop to simplify the process of changing your Facebook page username. Thank you.